In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to set up and use the Crust N80 Power Inverter for charging your devices. After unboxing, please check if it comes with the following components: one N80 Car Inverter and an instruction manual. Now let's look at how to operate the device in the car. Insert the cigarette plug on the device into the 12-volt power outlet in your car. Plug the laptop charging plug into the inverter's AC socket. Turn on the N80 Power Inverter and the green LED light will illuminate. Now we will charge our smartphone by plugging its adapter into the other AC socket. You can also use the USB ports to charge your phone and other USB-powered devices. With 3 AC sockets and 4 USB ports, this inverter allows you to charge up to 7 devices simultaneously. When using the inverter in your car, avoid connecting equipment exceeding 180 watts or the maximum power rating of your car's power outlet to safeguard against potential damage to the car's internal wiring. We hope you enjoyed the installation of the N80 Car Power Inverter.